مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic series with me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, we're going to continue learning our vocabulary using the root letter system. And today's letters are Qaf, Waw, and Lam. Qala. Hang on a minute, you say Qala with an alif. Where is Waw? Yes, let me explain myself. When you see an alif like that, a stick alif, pretending to be the second root letter. Now, it is a pretender. In fact, it's representing either a Waw origin or Yaw origin. And how do we supposed to know? Yes, you will know that when you see the present tense or you see the noun of that particular root letters, such as qala. Qala means to speak, is a verb to speak, to talk, such alike. So that's the theme of that root letter. Now, present tense of qala is yaqulu. You can see now, wow, the original second root is there. Yaqulu. And the noun from that verb is qawlun. So qawlun, again you see the waw there. Okay, let's explore these root letters. An example, if I say simple sentence, man qala annani qultu dhalik. Man qala annani qultu dhalik. Man qala. Who said? Who said? Man qala. Who said? Annani, that I. Qultu, that I said. Dhalik, that. Whatever it is. Man qala laka annani qultu dhalik. Who told you that I said that? The answer may be صديقك هو الذي قال لي. صديقك, your friends, هو الذي قال لي, is the one who told me so. Yes. He shocked you. Yeah, he told me. صديقك هو الذي قال لي. Your friend is the one who told me so. Then I can deny it all. I can say لم أقل شيئا من ذلك. I did not say any of those things. لم أقل. You see, that's from قال. Because of لم, that's now in Joseph, as we say, مجزوم. لم أقل شيئا من ذلك. I didn't say any of those things. That's it. I deny it. What more? ما هو إلا أقاويل. There's nothing but gossip. قيل وقال, or قال وقيل. Either way, you can say قيل وقال or قال وقيل. Nothing but prattle, idle talk, gossip. قيل وقال. You can say قال وقيل. ما هو إلا أقاويل وما هو إلا قيل وقال, قال وقيل. Okay. What else? Let's indulge in some saying. For instance, you can say لا تنظر إلى من قال بل انظر إلى ما قال. لا تنظر إلى من قال. Don't look at who said. بل, rather. انظر إلى ما قال. Consider what he said. Look at what he actually said. Never mind who said it. Consider what has been said. You see? Because concentrate on the message, not on the messenger. You play the ball. Don't play the man. As they say. So لا تنظر إلى من قال بل انظر إلى ما قال. Next one. من قال ما لا ينبغي أن يقال عليه أن يتوقع سماع ما قد لا يعجبه. من قال ما لا ينبغي أن يقال, he who says what ought not to be said. من قال ما لا ينبغي أن يقال عليه أن يتوقع سماع ما قد لا يعجبه. Should expect to hear what he may not like. من قال ما لا ينبغي أن يقال عليه أن يتوقع سماع ما قد لا يعجبه. Okay, more example. قل الحق ولو على نفسك. قل الحق ولو على نفسك. قل الحق, say the truth. ولو على نفسك, even if it is against yourself. Another version of that is قل الحق ولو كان مرا. قل الحق ولو كان مرا. Say the truth, even if it is bitter. Yeah, say the truth. قل الحق ولو كان مرا. Okay, another one is ليس كل ما يعرف يقال. ليس كل ما يعرف يقال. Not all that is known should be said. Sometimes you need to keep stum, keep quiet and watch. ليس كل ما يعرف يقال. Okay. What else from that قال? Sometimes can be used as a form 5, I think. تقول عليه. When you are saying something about people which contains lies and slander, you say يتقول عليه. لا تتقول علي. Yeah. Okay. What else? Let's move to a noun. As I said before, noun from قال is قول, أقوال, sayings, قول. So, for instance, you can say القول أسهل من الفعل. القول أسهل من الفعل. Easier said than done. القول أسهل من الفعل أو من العمل. Okay, what else can we... Now, so that's when you see that's qaf and lengthening alif and lam in that order, that's what is underpinning it. In the present tense, you see the wow origin. Because when you conjugate, you will see that in the present tense, you say يقول, he says, يقولان, two men say, and يقولون, they say, or saying, for men. For women, you say تقول, he says, she says, and تقولان, they, meaning two women, saying, and then يقولن, women are saying. Okay. Again, when you are speaking to somebody in front of you, for instance, Imran, you say, ماذا تقول? What are you saying? ماذا تقول? You see that wow. When you're speaking to a singular female, you say, ماذا تقولين? Again, you see that wow. What are you saying? And so on. Now, there is another قال. The same qaf, alif, and lam. But this alif this time is representing ya origin. And it has completely different meaning. And that is for to have midday nap. قال. And when you see the noun, you know that it's coming from ya. And the noun is qaylula. Qaylula means siesta, midday nap. So that's different from the qala, which means to speak. That's different. You can see from the noun, qaylula. Another one, when you say aqala yuqilu. Aqala yuqilu means to impeach somebody, or like a president, or depose somebody from their position, simply to sack somebody. You say aqala, aqalahu. For instance, you can say aqala wazirul wuzara wazir al-difa. The prime minister sacked the minister of defense. An example. So, and the noun from aqala yuqilu is iqala. So you can see that is different from the qala, which means to say. Okay, I think that's the, we stop here, and please continue to compile the vocabulary for me, because in the near future we're going to construct passage, maybe one page or half a page, and we'll expect you to be able to decode it, to be able to translate it, to be able to understand it, and it will be based on the vocabulary used so far at the time. All right then, before we go, here we go again. It's about my charity Helping Hands for Education. I'm still appealing to hundreds of thousands of you to please be part of this and help out to build this educational center for the children of my hometown. And for those of you who have done so, I thank you so much for your help. May God bless you. Details of how to donate is in the link below. Thank you so much. See you next time, inshallah. In the meantime, مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.